What is going on, you guys? Such another beautiful day. I mean, wow. It's still winter. You can see the snow still on the ground, but it's such a beautiful day and a perfect day for me to come outside and do a little bit of work on my car. But today, what I'm gonna do today is it's got a short rum intake in the car. I bought it like that, which was awesome because it means that I didn't have to spend an extra 500 some dollars, which is really really good when you can always save money, right? Because that was a definite must have. So that was something I was gonna definitely get in the car, but it came in the car. But the problem is the filter. It is so dirty. It is so dirty. I'm not even sure how the car is able to breathe. So what I did was I went on Amazon and I ordered the original Canon filter for the car. And actually, I got the wrong one when I first got it because there's a code that's on there, and I didn't get the correct code. So I went up online. I went online, looked it up, and somebody gave me a code. I ordered it, but it was the wrong one. But then I went to a local dealer, and they actually gave me the correct filter to replace this with, to replace it with. So without further ado, I'm gonna make this quick, guys. This is gonna be really really quick. So okay, so first off, let's open that up real quick. And so this is the filter. So this is the filter that I got. That's the original filter. And so far, I got a couple of goodies here from Amazon. And this, what we have right here is, I actually opened that up already, but it's at the bottom, I'm not even sure. This is my, I'll just turn it around quickly. This is just a little sneak preview of what's coming from my car, and that's the 4K UHD dash cam. That's the black view, the DR970X 2-channel camera, and that I'm gonna be installing a little bit later on today, or probably sometimes within the next week or so. So let me go ahead and open up the hood really quick. Okay. And voila, there you have it. So this is the filter. I mean, it is really dirty, super dirty. I actually took it off and cleaned up a little bit, and it still looks like that. So that I'm gonna get replaced today. This is the short rum intake that I have. Typhoon intake system, and it's made by Canon. I don't know much about this specific intake system, but so far, it's been great. Engine bay is a little bit dirty because I was saying before, he did do the rust proof on there. And usually whenever you do rust proof on a car, it's a little bit messy. So if you can see, it's not as clean as I would want it to be, but I mean, it's rust proof, right? And once again, it's a little messy, but I'm probably eventually gonna get rid of that because there's a couple of rust spot I notice here and like there, and over here, man, like look at these top of these screws here. Man, I don't know, can I get that replaced? I don't like that. I'm gonna have to I'll probably get those replaced, if I can, if it's possible. I'm sure it is, but yeah, so let's go ahead and replace that really really quick, so I don't keep you guys waiting. Okay, but I gotta get that screwdriver, which I did. I think I put it in the back. Okay guys, so you definitely need a flathead for this. Like I said, it's very straightforward. I mean, it's so there's the filter. It's the original put that in there. It's nice and greased. I'm not sure what kind of red grease that is they put on there. You see the bag there, it's all red. But I don't know. Okay, so this is very straightforward. So you just need to loosen that up. I should probably do it. Go ahead and take that off, and just like that, guys. Man, look at that. See? Same exact filter. The only difference is this one's got the chrome in the bottom of it, and this one doesn't. But same exact filter. So I'm gonna go ahead and okay, let's go ahead and I'm probably gonna keep this because I'm not sure, but I think you can actually wash it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna keep the original filter, and like I said, I think you can actually wash this and probably reuse it. Never done that before, but just in case, I'm gonna hold on to it. And it's not that cheap, guys, because this cost me actually $190, taxes included, right? So this was $190. So like I said, it's not cheap, so it's good to if it can be reused. I'm not gonna go ahead and say I recommend it. Can you come closer? But if it can be reused, then I mean, sure. If you want to do that, go ahead and do it. But and this is simple, guys. So pretty much, just go ahead and just like that, it's on. And you want to go ahead and tighten this up. Oh, I could have tightened this a little bit more before I put it over because it's really loose, but no problem. So before I lock it, I want to make sure that it's fully snugged on there. Right? Okay, so that's fully secured. And I'll go ahead and fully tighten it. Like, you don't want to over tighten it, but I mean, it's tighten it enough. Okay, so see, now it's that right there is good. And just like that, my hand's a little greasy from all the grease, but just like that, guys, it is done. Looks a lot better than the one that was on there, which is I mean, look at that. Let's do a before and after, right? So look at that. So that's what the used one looks like, and then you have the original one, which I'm thinking it was probably looking like that when they put it in, but you know, either way, I'm gonna go ahead and start the car up really quick. So let's go ahead and give it a start. Actually, hold on, let me clean my hands. Okay, so I kind of went ahead and get a little bit of a hand sanitizer so I can clean my hands up. I mean, you don't want to go in your car with greasy hands, right? So let's go ahead and turn this on real quick. Okay. Let's go outside and now I know what you guys are waiting for. Now I know you guys would like for me to give it a rev to see how it sounds, but right now, as you can see, I'm actually surrounded by a lot of people. There's actually people who are walking, and I don't want to go ahead and create any disturbance for anyone. So, you know, you want to be respectful. So pretty much everything is done here. Like I said, it was just a simple plug and play, A, B, and C, nothing to it. We'll go ahead and close that up real quick. And so there's the engine, the Earth Dreams Technology, V-Tec, beautiful engine, beautiful car. Go ahead and, oh, you see that? Just like that, guys. That's not good. Yeah, you want to make sure that you secure your tools. And see, all I had was one screwdriver, and I was going to leave it in the engine bay. Not good. We don't want to do that. Go ahead and close that up. And do a little quick walk around the car. Actually, let's go ahead and put this back into the trunk because I'm going to hold on to this. I'm going to hold on to this for a little bit. And see if, you know, if there's a way to clean it. And if there is, I'll probably clean it up and, you know, donate it to someone. Because I mean, $190 in today's day and age is still a lot of money. And as you can see right here, guys, these are my old 8 Gen window visor. I had those, the V-Tec ones, had those, and when I sold the car, I kept these because the plan was to buy another 8 gen, and sorry, I ended up going with the 9 gen because I never had one before. So it doesn't fit because I thought it would fit, but it didn't. These ones are a little bit smaller. So yeah. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. That was just a quick short video, and just replacing the cold air intake on my car. You know, appreciate the thumbs up, guys. You know, it's free, and it's very encouraging as well, and it kind of motivates me to want to keep making videos like this and create content like this, you know, for you guys. So until the next video, you guys know what to do. Go out, love one another, get to know God, trust Him, and live. Peace.